Hello, we are back for another unboxing. I think this is the third unboxing that we've done. And out of frame, I have my special guest, Charlotte, my cat. She might make an appearance. Today we have 4 items to unbox, so let's get into it. This first box is from Sucre Belly. I think it's Sucre Bell, maybe? Let's see what this is. Ooh. Oh, I do know what this is. Okay. Okay, yes, this is their perfume. It's called Sweatpants Goblin. Let's smell it. Ooh, it's a roll-on. I like that. It smells sweet. It's like very tropical. Oh my gosh, cute! And it came with a little sticker. Our next package is Rainbow Optics. Okay, I have been very excited to get these sunglasses. They're so cute. I got the pink ones because I thought they would be really fun for a nice outfit. Gorgeous. How do I look? I love these. I love the details on the side. Beautiful. I'm not sure where this one is from, but let's find out. Oh my gosh. Okay. I am so excited for this one. These are from Blue Sky. They gave me a whole little set. This one is a no wipe top coat gel nail polish. This one is a set of a base coat and a top coat. And this, I have been needing this. This one is a hard gel because I want to do a whole bunch of designs with this. So I'm definitely going to do another video. This one, I'm not sure where this is from, but I love the purple. This is so cute. What are the odds that my cat is sitting right next to me for this? I got this for her. This is Tulip, and it's like the little squeeze sticks. They're treats for cats and dogs, and you can like give it to them and they can lick it. So I'm really excited. There's a whole bunch of different types, a whole bunch of different flavors, and it comes in 7 sticks. So yay, Charlotte is gonna love this. This is everything that I got. Thank you so much, and thanks for following along and watching another one of my videos. Bye.